Brain is the birthplace of every idea, every emotion, and every decision you make. It's the canvas where your thoughts are painted, the stage where your dreams perform. Whether you're a student absorbing new information, an artist creating a masterpiece, or just someone trying to navigate through daily life, your brain is at the core of it all. But here's the thing. Your brain isn't just some isolated computer up there. It's an energy system, constantly interacting with the world around you. Think of it as a dynamic network, always buzzing with activity, always in sync with your environment. Every thought, every feeling, every action is a result of this intricate dance of energy. Yeah, you heard that right, it's an intricate network of energy. This energy is what fuels your brain, what keeps it running smoothly. It's like the electricity that powers your home, the fuel that keeps your car running. Without it, everything comes to a standstill. Think about it, your thoughts? Those are electric impulses firing between neurons. Tiny sparks of energy creating your reality. Every time you think, learn, or remember something, these electrical impulses are at work. It's like a symphony of tiny sparks, each one contributing to the grand performance that is your mind. Your emotions? We're talking about magnetic fields, people. These fields influence how you feel and react. They are the invisible forces that shape your mood, your reactions, your very perception of the world. It's like having an internal compass, guiding you through the emotional landscape of your life. And when this energy flows right, man, you're unstoppable. You can achieve anything you set your mind to. Whether it's acing that exam, nailing that presentation, or hitting a new personal best in your workout, everything just clicks. You're in the zone, firing on all cylinders, and nothing can hold you back. Understanding complex stuff becomes easy. Your brain is in peak performance mode. It's like having a superpower, where everything just makes sense. Problems that once seemed insurmountable now appear as simple puzzles waiting to be solved. Your mind is sharp, your focus is laser-like, and your ability to grasp new concepts is unparalleled. You're sharp, creative, firing on all cylinders. Every idea seems to flow effortlessly. It's like tapping into a wellspring of creativity, where inspiration is abundant, and every thought is a potential masterpiece. Whether you're brainstorming for a new project, writing a novel, or painting a picture, your creative juices are flowing, and everything just clicks. But when that energy is blocked, forget about it. Everything feels like a struggle. It's like trying to wade through mud, where every step is a Herculean effort. Your thoughts are sluggish, your creativity is stifled, and even the simplest tasks seem insurmountable. You ever feel foggy, stressed, like you can't remember where you put your keys? It's frustrating, right? It's like having a cloud hanging over your mind, obscuring your thoughts and making everything seem hazy. You know the information is there somewhere, but you just can't access it. That's blocked energy, my friends. It's like a traffic jam in your brain. Imagine a bustling city where every street is clogged with cars, honking and inching forward at a snail's pace. That's what happens in your brain when the energy isn't flowing properly. Everything comes to a standstill, and nothing gets done. It's like trying to run a marathon with your shoelaces tied together. Impossible to move forward. Every step is a struggle, and you can't make any progress. You're stuck, frustrated, and unable to reach your full potential. Today, we're diving deep into 5 powerful energy techniques that can unlock your brain's true potential. Techniques that have stood the test of time. These aren't just quick fixes or trendy hacks. These are time-honored practices that have been used for centuries to enhance mental clarity, boost creativity, and improve overall well-being. We're talking about ancient practices backed by modern science that can elevate your understanding, sharpen your memory, and unleash your creativity. A perfect blend of old and new. Imagine combining the wisdom of ancient sages with the cutting-edge research of modern scientists. The result is a powerful toolkit that can transform your mind and elevate your life. Stick with me. By the end of this, you'll feel like you can bend spoons with your mind. Just kidding. Sort of. But seriously, you'll feel empowered. You'll have the tools and knowledge to take control of your mental energy, to harness it and use it to achieve your goals. It's not about magic, it's about understanding and optimizing the incredible power of your brain. If you're serious about mastering your mind, tap that like button, subscribe to Mystic Messenger 369, and let's raise your energy together. Let's embark on this journey to unlock your brain's full potential. Together, we'll explore these powerful techniques, learn how to apply them in our daily lives, and transform our minds into the ultimate powerhouses they were meant to be. Now, when we talk about energy, I know what you might be thinking. Joe, are we about to go full-on crystal healing here? It's a fair question, given how the term energy gets thrown around in all sorts of contexts these days. From spiritual gurus to fitness enthusiasts, everyone seems to have their own take on what energy means. But let's clear the air right from the start. Listen, I'm not saying you need to start hugging trees and charging your water bottles under the moonlight. Although if that's your thing, more power to you. Everyone has their own way of connecting with the world around them, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. But what I'm really getting at is something much more fundamental and scientifically grounded. Although hey, if that's your thing, more power to you. Everyone has their own way of connecting with the world around them. Some people find peace in nature, others in meditation, and some through physical activities. The key is to find what resonates with you personally. But let's dive deeper into the kind of energy I'm talking about. What I'm talking about is the energy that's literally running the show inside your body and brain. This isn't some abstract mystical force. It's the very real measurable energy that powers every single function in your body. From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep, and even while you're dreaming, this energy is at work. It's the electricity that makes your heart beat, the chemical reactions firing off in your cells, the very essence of life itself. Think about it. Every heartbeat, every thought, every movement you make is powered by this energy. It's what keeps you alive and functioning. And it's not just about staying alive, it's about thriving. And it's more real than you might think. This isn't just some abstract concept, it's grounded in hard science. Researchers have been studying the flow of energy in the human body for decades, and the findings are nothing short of fascinating. We're talking about a complex, interconnected system that affects everything from your physical health to your mental well-being. We've got all these amazing studies coming out now showing the direct link between energy flow and cognitive function. For instance, did you know that the way energy moves through your brain can impact your memory and problem-solving abilities? It's true. And it's not just about mental tasks. It also affects your creativity and emotional resilience. Memory, problem-solving, even creativity. It's all tied to how energy moves through your system. When your energy is flowing smoothly, you're more likely to come up with innovative ideas, solve complex problems, and retain information better. It's like having a well-oiled machine versus one that's clogged and sluggish. It's like your brain is the hardware, but energy is the software that makes it all work. Without it, nothing functions properly. Imagine trying to run the latest software on an outdated computer. It just wouldn't work efficiently. The same goes for your brain and body. You need to keep your energy optimized to function at your best. So if you want to upgrade your mental game, you've got to optimize your energy. It's crucial for peak performance. Whether you're an athlete, a student, or a professional, managing your energy levels can make a significant difference in your performance and overall well-being. Techniques like mindfulness, proper nutrition, and regular exercise can help you maintain optimal energy levels, and that's what these techniques are all about. They help you harness and direct your energy for better results. By understanding and managing your energy, you can improve not just your cognitive functions but also your emotional and physical health. So, let's dive into these techniques and see how you can start optimizing your energy today. Alright, let's dive into the first energy technique, grounding. Now, grounding might sound a little out there, but it's actually one of the simplest yet most powerful things you can do for your energy and your brain. Basically, grounding is all about connecting your body's energy to the Earth's magnetic field. Think of it like plugging your phone into a charger, except in this case, you're plugging into the Earth's natural energy. Why does this matter? Well, in our modern hyper-connected world, we're constantly bombarded with information and stimulation. Our phones, computers, even the electrical wiring in our homes, it's all pulling our energy upward, into our heads. And that's a recipe for anxiety, scattered thinking, and a serious case of brain fog. Grounding helps to pull that energy back down, stabilizing and centering your entire system. Alright, so we're talking about boosting your brain power, right? Let's dive into something fundamental yet often overlooked. It's something so simple yet so powerful that it can transform the way you think, feel, and perform in your daily life. We're talking about the power of breathing. Yes, breathing. It sounds almost too basic, but trust me, it's a game changer. We gotta talk about breathing. It's more crucial than you might think. Most of us go through our days without giving it a second thought, but the way you breathe can have a profound impact on your mental and physical state. It's not just about getting oxygen into your lungs, it's about how you manage your energy, your stress, and your overall well-being. You know I'm all about that Wim Hof method, and it's not just about holding your breath for crazy amounts of time, it's a whole philosophy. Wim Hof, also known as the Iceman, has shown that through specific breathing techniques, you can influence your autonomic nervous system, boost your immune response, and even withstand extreme cold. It's about tapping into your body's innate potential. It's about understanding that breath controls your state of mind, your emotions, your focus, everything. When you master your breath, you master your mind. Think about it. When you're calm and collected, your breathing is slow and steady. When you're anxious or stressed, it's rapid and shallow. By consciously controlling your breath, you can shift your mental state almost instantly. It's like a direct line to your nervous system, a powerful tool at your disposal. Your breath is the bridge between your mind and body. By practicing deep, mindful breathing, you can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and recovery. This is crucial for maintaining balance in our fast-paced, stress-filled lives. Think about it. When you're stressed out, what happens? Your breathing changes. It's an automatic response. Your body is preparing for a fight-or-flight situation. Even if the threat is just an upcoming deadline or a difficult conversation, you take these short, shallow breaths. It's almost automatic. Your body is gearing up for action, but this kind of breathing can actually make you feel more anxious and less in control. It's a vicious cycle. Your body goes into fight or flight mode and your brain's not exactly focused on learning complex calculus, you know? It's in survival mode. When you're in this state, your cognitive functions are impaired. You're not thinking clearly, and your ability to process information and make decisions is compromised. But when you take deep, controlled breaths, you change the game. You shift your state. Deep breathing sends a signal to your brain that everything is okay. It activates the relaxation response, helping you to calm down and regain control. You flood your system with oxygen, and your brain's like, all right, we're chill now, send in the information, we're ready to learn. This state of calm and focus is where you want to be for optimal performance, whether you're studying for an exam, working on a project, or just trying to get through your day with a clear mind. Seriously, it's wild how powerful this stuff is. It's like a hidden superpower. Once you start paying attention to your breath and practicing these techniques, you'll notice a significant difference in how you feel and perform. It's like unlocking a new level of potential within yourself. So, we're talking about simple techniques here, nothing complicated. You don't need any special equipment or a lot of time. Just a few minutes of focused breathing can make a huge difference. Stuff you can do anywhere, anytime. But the impact? It's profound. Whether you're at your desk in a park or even on public transport, you can practice these techniques and feel the benefits almost immediately. Man, the impact can be huge. It's transformative. Imagine going through your day with a sense of calm, focus, and energy. That's what we're talking about here. It's like upgrading your brain's operating system. A total game changer. So next time you're feeling stressed or unfocused, remember to take a deep breath. It's a simple act, but it can make all the difference. Okay, so we've talked about grounding, about connecting to the Earth's energy. We've talked about breathing, about controlling your state of mind. Now let's talk about clearing out the gunk, man. I'm talking about energy clearing. Think of it like this. Your mind is like a pipe system. When it's flowing freely, information, creativity, all that good stuff, it just flows through you. But then, life happens, right? Stress, anxiety, negative thoughts, bad vibes, they all build up in the pipes. And what happens when pipes get clogged? The whole system slows down. Alright folks, let's talk about mindfulness meditation. You hear it everywhere now, right? It's like the new kale. But here's the thing, it's not just some woo-woo new age trend. This stuff is legit. See, we're living in this crazy, always-on world, right? Phones buzzing, emails flying, social media blowing up your feed every 2 seconds. It's like our minds are constantly bombarded with information. And that creates this chaotic monkey mind, always swinging from one thought to the next. You ever notice how hard it is to just focus on one thing? That's the monkey mind running wild, man. And it's exhausting. It's like trying to meditate in the middle of a Metallica concert. Alright, let's dive into something super interesting. Visualization. Now, you've probably heard athletes talk about this, right? Visualizing themselves nailing that perfect shot or crossing the finish line first. And you might be thinking, yeah, that's cool, but I'm no Michael Jordan. But here's the thing, visualization isn't just for athletes, man. It's a powerful tool that anyone can use to improve their learning and achieve their goals. So there you have it, folks. 5 powerful energy techniques to boost your brain power and unlock your full learning potential. Remember, your brain isn't some static organ, it's a dynamic, ever-evolving energy system, and just like you can train your body to be stronger and healthier, you can train your brain to be sharper, more focused, and more resilient. When you ground yourself, breathe intentionally, clear your energy, practice mindfulness, and visualize success, you're not just learning faster, you're becoming unstoppable. Which technique are you going to try first? Drop a brain emoji in the comments if you're ready to level up your mind. And if you loved this video, make sure to subscribe to Mystic Messenger 369 for more life-changing energy wisdom. Before we wrap up, let's dive into the science behind boosting brain energy. Recent studies from renowned institutions like Harvard Medical School and the National Institutes of Health have shown that activities like grounding and mindfulness aren't just feel-good practices, they have measurable effects on brain function and energy levels. For instance, grounding or earthing has been found to reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and enhance overall well-being, according to a study published in the Journal of Environmental and Public Health. When your body connects with the Earth's electrons, it balances your nervous system and reduces the cortisol levels, the stress hormone, in your body. Mindfulness and meditation, as reported by neuroscientists at UCLA, can actually increase the density of gray matter in the brain. This means better memory, improved emotional regulation, and enhanced cognitive functions. The practice rewires your brain's neural pathways, making it more efficient and resilient. And let's not forget about intentional breathing techniques. Research from Stanford University indicates that controlled breathing can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps in reducing stress and increasing focus. This simple act of conscious breathing sends a signal to your brain that it's safe to relax and concentrate. So when you incorporate these scientifically backed techniques into your daily routine, you're not just relying on anecdotal evidence. You're tapping into a wealth of research that supports the incredible benefits of these practices. Knowledge is power, and now you have the scientific proof to back up your journey towards unleashing your brain's full potential. If you're curious to learn more about the studies mentioned, check the description box for links to the full research articles. Remember, the more you know, the more you grow. Stay curious, stay energized, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of your mind. As we continue our journey into optimizing brain energy, it's crucial to address the role of nutrition. Your brain, though only 2% of your body weight, consumes about 20% of your daily energy intake. What you eat directly impacts your cognitive function, mood, and overall brain health. Recent research from the University of Oxford highlights the significant benefits of omega-3 fatty acids on brain function. These essential fats, found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, are critical for maintaining the structure and function of brain cell membranes. Omega-3s have been linked to improved cognitive performance, reduced symptoms of depression, and even a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. Another key player in brain energy is glucose, the primary fuel for your brain. However, not all sugars are created equal. A study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences emphasizes the importance of consuming complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These carbs provide a steady release of glucose, ensuring sustained energy levels and preventing the dreaded brain fog. Antioxidants also play a vital role in protecting your brain from oxidative stress, a major contributor to cognitive decline. Blueberries, rich in flavonoids, have been shown by Harvard Medical School to improve memory and delay brain aging. Similarly, dark chocolate, which contains high levels of antioxidants, can enhance mood and cognitive function, making it a delicious way to boost your brain power. Vitamin B12, often found in animal products like meat, eggs, and dairy, is essential for brain health. A deficiency in this vitamin can lead to memory loss and cognitive decline. According to a study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, supplementing with B12 can significantly improve brain function in those who are deficient. Lastly, staying hydrated is paramount. Dehydration can impair attention, long-term memory, and motor skills. The European Journal of Clinical Nutrition reports that even mild dehydration can cause measurable cognitive deficits, so keep that water bottle handy and ensure you're drinking enough fluids throughout the day. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you not only fuel your body but also provide your brain with the necessary tools to function at its best. Remember, a well-nourished brain is an energized brain. Stay mindful of what you consume, and you'll be well on your way to unlocking your brain's full potential. For more detailed information on the